Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine hasn't made his opposition to legalizing marijuana a secret. He's been campaigning against the statewide ballot issue for months now, but now he's bringing local law enforcement leaders to help spread his message. Here's 27 First News reporter Jerry Ricciuti.
Just back from a trip to Colorado, where marijuana use was legalized in 2012 and sales of pot started last year, Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine attacked the claims police will have more time to pursue other crimes if State Issue 3 is approved next month.
Well, I asked the police officers in Colorado that. They just laughed at me. They said it's much more complicated than it was even before it was passed.
Issue 3 would change the Ohio Constitution to allow marijuana use for any purpose and specify where it can be grown and processed in the state. DeWine says he learned the weed is now turning up in all sorts of products, including candy, which he says can be indistinguishable from the real thing.
We all know and love gummy bears. These are gummy bears with marijuana. And as you can see, there's no difference.
But DeWine says despite legalization, police in Colorado are still dealing with black market sales of pot, something that isn't sitting well with local authorities who are already combating a statewide heroin epidemic.
Where you have a black market drug operation, guns and violence follow. And those are the things that we fight every day.
Sheriff Jerry Green says he's seen research from both Colorado and Washington where pot is also legalized, and claims driving under the influence and fatal car crashes tied to marijuana are up in both states.
I don't know what better template that law enforcement, the Attorney General, and everybody can use at other states that are basically screaming at us going, don't do this. This is a mistake.
Green says he and all other 87 sheriffs in the state are taking a stand against Issue 3 and encouraging voters to just say no on November 3rd. In Youngstown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.